Tubi Toys Out of This World.
Hey, I'm Tubi. What do we have today?
Stretch Elastigirl. Stretching a plushie Elastigirl.
Let's see how stretchy she is.
Okay.
Want to take that tag off? What does it say? It says stretch my arm. Here, pull with me. There you go.
I have to.
Let's see how stretchy she is. Oh, does she feel really stretchy?
Yeah, it's really.
Let's see. You hold on one end and I'll hold the other. And I'm gonna hold onto the arm. Ready? She is super stretchy. Look at the embroidery. Her plush. The plush is so super soft too. Isn't she super soft?
Yeah, but I'm putting air.
Again. Again.
She's really stretchy and she's really soft.
The Stretchy Elastigirl plush doll is a great addition to your Incredibles collection. For $15 on Amazon, you really can't go wrong. She can stretch her arms and her legs. Don't pull too hard though, because I noticed that the plush can separate at the seams and you might hear a little bit of tearing. It didn't rip when we were pulling her, but it can, so be really careful. She's not rubbery, she is a plush doll. But if you like something that's stretchy, she's definitely for you. She is so soft. Her Incredibles logo is made of vinyl. And she's so cuddly. If you like the new plushie Elastigirl stretchy doll, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tubi Toys. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.